Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set photos to download and keep originals for full resolution photos and videos on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, you want to swipe up to go down and tap on Photos. Next, in here, tap on Download and Keep Originals. And it said that this iPhone is currently storing original photos and videos. Turn on Optimize Storage to save device space and keep originals in iCloud. Now, it is not always possible to keep the original copy in iCloud because your iCloud have a limited storage space unless you want to pay for extra storage space. So if you do want to keep the original copy in high resolution, then make sure you choose Download and Keep Originals unless your phone is running out of space. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.